Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make your taskbar transparent. Without wasting much time, let's go straight to it. First of all, you want to go to your Microsoft Store. Now you want to search for this app called TranslucentTB. Here it is. Just left click on that, go ahead and install it. Due to recent update, this app has been known to have some issues. It used to work before, but currently it doesn't seem to work. In this video, I'll show you how to solve this issue. Go ahead and open it and just click continue. Even after the installation, we can see nothing changed. The taskbar is still the same. Now we proceed to go to our search engine. I'm on Google, by the way, and I'm gonna type vivetool. Okay, the first one that pops up, which is GitHub, just go ahead and open that. Then scroll down. You have to select this particular one. Just left click on that to download. You just proceed however you want to download. You just proceed to download it. Now it's downloaded, so let's go on to the folder. Go to the download folder. Here I already have the vivetool downloaded on my file explorer, but I don't do anything yet. So what we're gonna do first is to go to the Windows C, left click on that. Then you want to go up here and click on this arrow down, then select folder to open a new folder. So we're going to rename this folder and we're going to call it zVive. That's Z capital V-I-V-E. Select enter. Once that's done, we head back and right click on this vivetool, then extract all. Okay, so you just go here, browse, and we go to drive C. So as we can see here, we have this folder which we created before. So you want to select this one, left click and select folder, then extract. All right, so all the files from vivetool has been extracted here to this folder which we created. Once that's done, just go ahead and close it. Now we're going to head on to our search bar, type cmd. You want to right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Ensure to run as administrator, guys. Here I've prepared some command which I'll leave for you in the description. To make this easy, we're just going to copy and paste here and just paste. Now we'll go ahead and copy the second command. Hit Ctrl C and just paste right here. All right, click enter. As you can see, it says successfully set feature configuration. So once that's done, all you have to do is to exit, click X there, and proceed to restart your computer. Then you should be able to see the effect afterwards. After restart, we can see the changes already. The taskbar is now transparent. Regardless of the background, regardless of the wallpaper you use, it remains transparent. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notifications so you get notified when we post content like this. Have a nice day. Peace.